for free. Grow like weed. Ever drop an emoji icon into a Word document just to feel alive? Same, but emojis won't save you from desktop chaos. Let's start with shortcut that actually clears the battlefield. Shortcut number 1, Windows plus left or right arrow. Snap Windows to half screen. Split your screen instantly. Perfect for your side-by-side work or pretending you are in control. To split to left, I just press Windows plus left arrow. And I will pick my another document. And here I will pick Windows plus right arrow. Now I can work in both documents at the same time. Shortcut number 2, Windows plus dot. Open emoji panel. Yes, even in Notepad, because sometimes emoji icons says more than words. To write down an emoji, just press Windows icon plus dot. And here you can pick whichever you want. Shortcut number 3, Windows plus Ctrl plus D. Create a new virtual desktop. Need a fresh space for editing, research, or just escaping your messy main screen? This shortcut spawns a clean desktop, like opening a new tab for your brain. To create a new virtual desktop, just press Windows plus Ctrl plus D. And that's the whole magic. Shortcut number 4, Windows plus Ctrl plus left or right arrow. Switch between desktops. Jump between your realms like multitasking wizard. No alt-tab panic, just smooth transitions. There is also alternative Windows plus F for task view. See all open windows and desktops in one place, like a tactical map for your workflow. Now I will show you how it looks. Windows plus Ctrl plus right arrow. Windows plus Ctrl plus left arrow. Here you can switch really easy between those two desktops. And the alternative version looks like this. Shortcut number 5, Windows plus Ctrl plus F4. Close current desktop. Done with the project. Closed that space like a pro. No leftover chaos. Close a project. Just press Windows plus Ctrl plus F4. Like, subscribes, and hit the bell because the next tier isn't just rare, it's mythical. Thank you for watching.